Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project is a keyring. It's a spiral weave type 1 DNA. This is a wide core. It's a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 12 inches long or 30.48 centimeters, melted together to form a loop, connected to make the core. I'm going to be working with 2 different colors melted together. Each one is 36 inches long or 91.44 centimeters. The colors we're using is orange and black. You're also going to need a lighter, a pair of scissors, and a presser. Well, let's get to it. Right through the cow hitch. Tighten it up. Goes up. Just line the right side. Then down through the loop. It's a very simple weave. It's only got basically 1 knot. You just repeat it over and over again. Right side always goes over. Goes over the top. Orange going over, down, under, up to the loop. That's it. That's the whole weave. You do it over and over and over again. And here we go. Orange over, black over, under everything, up to the loop. Black over the top, orange over the black, under everything, up to the loop.